Okay, today we got a 2007 Chrysler Sebring 2.4 4-cylinder engine with a variable intake runner control air intake. So specifically, I want to mention to this particular vehicle with the two codes that we have trouble having with. It keeps showing up as soon as the engine runs over 2000 RPM. So from the previously recorded freeze frame data, is showing a P0303 misfire cylinder number 3 at 1665 RPM at coolant temp and the intake air temps both at 59 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have spark plugs replaced, coils replaced, intake manifold gasket replaced, and also verify the intake manifold runner valves operate without restriction or biting on the valve, and also have the intake manifold runner actuator replaced. So, and it shows it works as supposed to be with the engine condition. Is high RPM, the valve would open about 4 volts. Low RPM is stay close about 1 volts. So, but to this particular engine control unit, with the code clear and the battery disconnection, try to reset the computer. Even though the code still shows up every time the engine revs over the 1665 RPM. And we did check the new freeze frame data. It shows exactly the same as before, even though you have a scan tool reset the code. So, which is doesn't make too much of sense, because that freeze frame data stay in memory with the scan tool try to reset when did not reset the memory. So in order to do a memory reset, we had to get a scan tool with a special function to do reset memory to the engine control unit. Then after that, we rev the engine over 2000 RPM and the codes stay off. No misfire code, no P0301-P0304 code shows up. So every time to this specific, engine module, you have to do a computer manual reset in order to